Today in SERDNA Talks, we're going to talk about Domus, a new pre-construction project in Brickell. Right now, this is your best opportunity to lock today's prices. If you reserve today, you won't regret tomorrow. This project is so new and it is so sold out that it's unbelievable. This 12-story building will offer 171 fully furnished residential units in a variety of sizes and configurations, from cozy studios to spacious two-bedroom condos. You'll get to enjoy luxurious amenities like co-working spaces, a wellness center, a steam room, state-of-the-art fitness room, a rooftop pool, which is unbelievable. And the rooftop pool comes with cabanas, a jacuzzi, a hot tub, an incredible barbecue area, entertainment like you wouldn't believe. Domus Brickell Park is located in the heart of Miami, also known as Brickell, just blocks away from fantastic shopping, dining, and entertainment at British City Center and Mary Brickell Village. If you are a sports fan, you'll be pleased to know that the Miami Heat Arena is just a 10-minute drive away. The developer behind this incredible project is North Development, a company funded with decades of real estate experience. They are committed to creating top-notch short-term rental condos that offer maximum value to investors and unforgettable experiences to guests. Domus Brickell Park exterior has been designed by the renowned Zyscovich architects, while the interiors are being taken care of by Urban Robot Associates, a full-service design collective based in Miami Beach. The team at Urban Robot Associates is dedicated to creating unique and functional spaces that elevates the human experience. As you already know, real estate is about location, and Miami has it very clear. Domus is located in the heart of Miami, and if you or your guests want to go to the beach, you can simply go to Key Biscayne, which is a 10 to 15 minute drive. If you like to go shopping, you can go to Brickell City Center, or if you want to take a walk or run around the city, soon you will have the Underline, and the Underline is a 10-mile linear park being developed in Miami-Dade County, Florida. When complete, it will run underneath the county's elevated Metro Rail system from the Miami River near Brickell to the Metro Rail's southern terminus at Dayland South. And most of the people that visit or live in Brickell don't even drive. They like to walk everywhere. If you love food just like me, you should go to Sexy Fish and order the most incredible Chilean bass with black truffles. They are delicious. You can also go to Sugar Top, which is located at 788 Brickell Plaza, and you should order the crispy octopus. It's yummy. If you want to have some fun and educate yourself at the same time, my number one spot is between the Philip and Patricia Frost Museum of Science and Pam Pettis Art Museum. Wynwood is also around the corner, and there you will find great art galleries and awesome restaurants as well. I love Florida, and the rest of the world loves it as well. However, big corporations are moving here because of tax benefits. Citadel is building the most incredible offices in Miami. Microsoft is moving to Miami. LeverX just announced that they are moving from Silicon Valley to Miami. Another awesome project that will take place near Domus will be One Brickell City Center. One Brickell City Center is a proposed 80-story office skyscraper in the city of Miami, Florida. The tower will be part of the existing 9-acre Brickell City Center development. And since we are talking about the best place on earth, Miami, everybody knows what's a cafecito, and Domus will have their own cafecito where you and your guests will be able to try the most incredible coffees from all around the world, and they will prepare it any way you want. Domus will also have co-working spaces, which is great. There is also a gourmet market on site. That way, you won't have to go anywhere to find what you want. Everything is in one place. You can also take advantage of the on-site bar and network. As mentioned previously, some of the amenities are an incredible pool, jacuzzi, barbecue. There is also a Pilates room, a gym, a mini golf, ping pong, you name it, everything is there. If you want to take a ride around the city, you can just grab any bicycle and go anywhere you like. And if you like technology, as an owner, you will be able to see on real time your past, present, and future bookings. That way, you will always be up to date with your property's performance. Don't miss this incredible opportunity to invest in one of the most incredible projects in Miami. If you have questions, remember to subscribe to SERDNA Talks and to share all my videos with your friends and family. I have to go. See you soon. Ciao.